I told you, sister, this is for you. Huh? Papa, some people said I will not make it in this life. Papa, I have come. I have come to take away shame from you. I have come so that you will stop lamenting your son, Ebugozu. Sister, see, no idiot born of a man will come to you again to play you wayo that he wants to marry you and hurt your feelings, because your brother is now a rich man, a millionaire. I have made it big time. Big time. Listen, you will stop that teaching job, because you cannot have a brother like me and you are doing menial jobs that you are teaching. For what? Sister, nobody will insult this family again. Ebugomozu, this money is too much. The money is destroying my movement. Eh? I just came to announce to you people. Eh? I want to see my friends now. Kambiakwa no. The Papa Lolo. Kambiakwa. The Papa me. Kambiakwa. Hey! The ego is too much. All the too much. Eh?
When I think I'm a nobody, when I think my world has crumbled, that is when God restored me. Oh. Never you lose hope. God is the hope to the hopeless. Never you cry again.
Life is good.
Uchi, how did you come about this huge sum of money, suddenly, that you are splashing like this?
Dad, what kind of question is that? No. I don't understand you. You are asking me how I made my money? The billionaires, the millionaires, and our thieving politicians that have stolen our national treasure. If you see them, will you ask them how they made money? Oh, because I am your son. You never believed that I was going to make money, and now I have made money? Anyway, I will tell you. Dad, I know your minds now will be telling you that maybe I stole money or I did a money ritual. No, I can't do that. You brought me up where I am into online business. I am practicing what I read in school, computer engineering. I am a computer engineer. That you paid my school fees, isn't it? Sis, is it wrong or am I wrong to practice what I learned in school? Do you understand what I'm saying? Dad, calm down. Sister, little sis, your brother has made money. I am a millionaire. And women come in. No idiot called a man, born of a woman, will come to you again to break your heart. Is he mad? Your brother has money, so you have money. My money is your money. So you will calm down now, look for who loves you and the person that you love before you marry, because you have money now. Come fall for cheap idiots. Little says, please advise Daddy properly that we are, enjoying this jet age, digital age. Anyway, let me tell you something. You guys should write what you want now. List it. Shoes, bags, jewelries, anything that you want. If in 1 minute is not provided, then you know that I am not the son of my father. Daddy is my daddy. Now, let me tell you something. I know. In your mind now, you think it's only a man that will go to the bush to cut trees, dig a hole, and cover it is working hard. No. Dad, this is our time. This is our time, digital age, the jet age. We go online to take what belongs to us. Daddy, Ego Abiago. The money is too much. Daddy is my daddy.
Uche,
Yes, Dad.
when did you start drinking alcohol?
Alcohol. Me. Drink alcohol. Are they Chris? I don't get sense. How can I drink alcohol? Oh, no, this is red wine. Dad, you have always told me that red wine is good for your heart. When you drink it like this, you just sweat. You see, I'm sweating like this. As you're drinking red wine, it will just palpitate. It's pushing. Sweat will just be coming. Sweat is sweet. Dad, even in the Bible, red wine is written there. Drink it. Little says, advise daddy properly. Tell him that this is the young age of digital performance. I have an urgent meeting now. We have an urgent meeting of the young millionaires. We are going to be deliberating on how we are going to transform ourselves from being millionaires to billionaires. Gambiakwan. Daddy. Daddy is my daddy. Dad. Yeah. Obago. My daddy. Gamjakwano. Gamjano.
He says red wine is not alcohol.
This is not the Uche I brought up.
Red wine is not alcohol, Dad. Says Uche.
When I think I'm a nobody, when I think my world has crumbled.
Sweet, come down. Let's go to my friend's book now.
What about the money you promised me?
Money. Don't worry, I'll give you.
When? You keep on promising me. I need that money. I need that money this Saturday for my cousin's wedding.
This Saturday. How much are we talking about?
I told you 30K.
30K?
Yes. I need to make my nails, do my lashes, and all these things cost money.
Okay, just give me some time. You know how difficult it is getting money from your parents, especially when they're old school. So I need to go home and re-strategize, look for a way to collect this money from him. Alright?
But you are the first son. Everything he owns belongs to you. His cars, money, everything. You're the one not playing your games well. Do you know what? My own elder brother chased all of us out of the house when our father died. And nobody could do anything about it, and you're here telling me, shh.
You're very correct, too. As the bona fide and legitimate first son of our family, I own everything. Having told me this, once I get back home now, I will make sure I collect that money from my father. If he wants war, I'll give him war. If he wants peace, I will give him peace. That is what I will do.
Better.
So just calm down, alright? I don't like it when you...
leave me alone.
Come on. Ada? Where are you coming from? Where are you going to?
Oh, I'm going back home. I went to buy something for Mom.
You want to buy something for Mom? And you didn't see any other road to pass? It's only this place. Why are you monitoring me? What is it? Why can't you stay one place? Eh?
Please, I don't want your troubles. As you can see, I'm going back home. Did I disturb you?
You don't want my troubles. If I start going home. If you like, go back home now and talk rubbish. I've told you, I will swallow you. Use champagne and you can piss you out in the toilet. You this worm. Come and start going home. I say, I'm a man. Love, don't mind her. This is how she behaves. Following me everywhere like monitoring spirits. Evil spirit. Maybe let's go. Calm down now. I told her I will give you this thing now. Calm down now. I will give you. It's not Saturday. Before Saturday you get it. There's still time. Hey. The more you get angry, the more you look fine. Get to baby. Come on, sugar. Take it, man. Take it, man. Yeah. I need some money.
Money for what?
I want to use it for my jam.
Jam?
Yes, Dad.
How much?
It's 30,000. 30,000 naira.
30,000 naira.
Yes, Dad.
For jam, eh? Jam form, eh?
Yes, Dad.
But you told me last week that jam was 20,000 naira and I gave you the money. Joshua.
Yes, Dad. I told you it was 20,000 because that's a part payment. I had to do that way so that when I want to complete the remaining one, it will not be big. It will not be like cumbersome for us. That's why I had to pay the first installment so that they will actually hold it down for me. And when I pay the installment, I will be eligible to write the exam. That's it.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Yes, sir.
Very intelligent of you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. So that means the total for the JAMB exam is 50,000 naira.
Yes, Dad.
Wow. Wonderful. You think you're talking to an illiterate father, eh? You think you're talking to an ignorant man? Joshua, I'm asking you.
I don't understand.
So you forgot that I am an engineer, a qualified and a practicing engineer. I passed through this system too. So when her jump form moved from 5,000, 10,000 naira to 50,000 naira.
Things are very expensive.
Really?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Okay, ordinary pure water, everything I've added money, double of pure water that is 2 times the price.
Really?
Don't you know how much dollar is now? Dollar is affecting everything in this country. So not to talk of something as very delicate and very sensitive as jam. They know people will buy now. And the people, they know these people's future. So they actually know that if they add money, people will actually buy. So that's why they are doing it. People are buying it. Why would my own be different?
So you are this smart and you cannot pass even one exam. You're still talking all this nonsense. You forget that I could just confirm it from here.
Yes,
from Google.
Check it. It's just that they won't put it online because most of them are subletting. They buy and resell. That's what they do.
Oh, really? So that's why it's 50,000 naira. And it is the reselling ones that you want to buy. You don't want to buy from source. Listen to me. Listen to me, son, and listen good. I don't have problem giving you money. I have the money to give. That's why I give to Emeka, I give to Chijo, I give to Ada, I give to my wife, and I give to you too. I don't have problem giving you any amount of money for this jam form, but the question is, how can you pass this exam when you do not read?
Why would you say that?
I have never seen you study your books, never.
So all the while that I read in this house, it does, okay, fine, I read in school. When I come back, sometimes I will have to rest because the hassles and the sun and everything will be very much on me. So sometimes I will have to, during the day, you will see me playing, talk, behave anyhow, you think I don't read. Sometimes I will just enter the house, cover myself with duvet, carry torch, put the book on top of the bed, use the torch and be reading it. But sometimes when I get tired, I go to the parlor on the TV. People will think I'm in the parlor watching TV. Then I will just go back inside. Sometimes I even go inside the toilet, open the book, I'll be reading it. So I read fast, I read very well because I want to come out in flying colors this time. So I read.
Wonderful. Joshua the reading reader. Eh? So you read under the duvet, you read in toilet, kitchen, everywhere. So what is the result of all the reading? How come you have not passed even one JAMB exam? Oh yeah, tell me. Answer me now. You read under duvet, you read everywhere, you read on the road like a madman. Yet you cannot pass even one exam for 3 good years. 3 consecutive years you've been taking JAMB exam. You've not passed one. Last year you scored 80. The brother scored 258. 285. Joshua, are you not ashamed of yourself? You stand here lying to me and talking nonsense. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
All this interrogation is just for 30,000. Eh? All this whole question. You know, if it is a Emeka now, you will give him the whole world. You won't even ask him one question. You just keep your hand inside the pocket and even give him more.
Yes, because he is doing well in his academics. He is doing well. He has never failed any exam.
It's not my fault.
Oh,
you pamper him, you support him in everything. You've never supported me.
Really? Wonderful. But I remember that Chijioke came first in his last exam. Chijioke. So who am I pampering and who am I not pampering?
But why is it that all the time you compare me and this Emeka? This useless Emeka? Eh? Wait, do you think that even this Emeka will stand where I stand? Eh? You forget that I'm your bona fide and legitimate son in this house.
And so?
First son in this family, I'm even supposed to be the one to inherit everything. You're even up to your boxers. I'm the one to inherit it.
Really?
Eh? You're comparing with Emeka, who is even the second son. I don't even have an inheritance in this whole thing.
Oh, you know about inheritance, eh? You're going to inherit everything that I have. Wonderful. Oh, really? Now I can see how intelligent you are. How very bright you are. You forgot there's something called a will. Joshua, you forgot there's something called a will. I'll leave it at that. Now leave my presence. I'm not giving you any money. I am not giving you any money. You're lying. Get out of here.
What's all this now? What's all this?
Get out of my presence. I'm not giving you any money. You're an irresponsible son. First son. Inherit. You can as well come and kill me so you can inherit everything quickly. Come and kill me now.
Josh, why are you crying? What is it? Tell me.
Dad has refused to give me money from my job. I went to meet him today. Instead of him to give me the money, he's telling me to my face that I'm my friend and I'm useless to him, that Emeka is far better than me. Why would he always do that? Always comparing me with Emeka. Why? When will he understand the fact that our stars are not the same? They are never the same. I can never be the same. Even if they are the same, I will change it. When if he understands this, why can't you just understand it and just leave me alone? Leave me alone.
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. See, I'm here. It's okay. Josh.
Yes, Tom?
I'll tell your dad to give you the money.
But please,
try and live up to expectation. Your younger one should be looking up to you and not the other way around.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. So, Mom, please, I need this money latest tomorrow. If not, they will chase me out of the class. I won't be able to write this exam. Then he will now see so many other things to talk about that I'm useless, that I'm not right. Is it my fault that I scored low in JAMB?
It's alright. It's okay.
This thing is the things that common mistakes I make. Sometimes missing scripts and all that.
Enough! If he doesn't give you the money, I will give you the money. I will give you my own money. Yes.
You will give me your own money.
Yes.
You see? You see why I say you are the best mom in the whole world? You see it? You see? I wish Dad used to encourage me this way. Eh? This is the reason why I decided to drop being a pilot and I decided to be a medical doctor. So that we bring out the name of this family to the limelight.
You will.
But instead of him to encourage me, but this course I want to read, it has a lot of chemical formulas. If they lift my head now, there's no way I can concentrate and write these exams well. Now, after they will say I'm not scoring high in JAMB, just like Emeka. Meanwhile, they encourage Emeka and support him. Me, nobody encourages me. How would I write well and come out with good colors?
Enough.
Yes, Mommy.
Can you promise me something? Just do something for me.
What is it?
Action.
Josh.
Yes, Mom.
Stop tormenting your younger brother, Emeka. He loves you. Can you do that for me?
Is it not that is always comparing two of us? Why would you be comparing the two of us? Eh?
Emeka is not doing it. He's not the one comparing you. Love him. He loves you. Please. Can you promise me that?
I'll try.
Just try. You need to love him.
Mom, you said you would give me the money if Daddy doesn't give me.
Don't try to change the topic. I will give you the money, but please love your brother. I just came back. I need to rest. Excuse me.
As the bona fide and legitimate first son, they will not encourage me.
Greediness is so deadly. You might think you've made it through, never offend the innocent, because God knows the best way to fight back. Oh,
Mom.
Yes, yeah.
There's something I want to tell you. It's been eating me up for a very long time.
Eating you up? Come and sit, my dear. Sit. What could have done?
Ada! What are you here? Mom, can you believe that Ada left all the plates that she's supposed to wash unwashed in the kitchen? And I told her I'm hungry and I want to eat. Now there is no plates for me to use to eat. Eh? Ada, you are becoming stubborn.
Josh!
You are becoming stubborn. Now stand up and go and wash her, even if it's 2 plates, so that we eat. You know I eat well.
Josh!
Yes, Mommy.
Maybe you're mistaken. I met her washing the dishes.
She left it. You see this girl? I've been telling you that Ada is becoming very, I don't know who is engineering her. She's becoming very stubborn. Immediately you left, she left the plates. Ada, go and wash these plates now.
My dear, you said you want to tell me something. Finish washing?
Yes. Stand up now and go and wash the plates.
Stop talking. I am talking. Just keep quiet.
Yes, Mommy.
Go and finish what you're doing, then you come. Mom is here to listen.
Ada, go and wash these plates now.
Okay. Mommy,
Go and wash it. Mommy, I'm sorry for I'm shouting. I'll come to get something I will tell you.
Wash plates. Josh.
What were you will show you what a devil really does and how they behave. By the time I go in there and tell mommy everything that has happened, we will now know who is the devil between you and...
I've done nothing wrong. You are the bad egg in this family.
You that is the good egg, who laid you? Who laid you that is the good egg? Let me warn you. I've been tolerating your nonsense. The way you challenge me in this house is becoming too much. The day I will eat you, I will chew you like granite, swallow you with champagne and go and piss you out. Kere kere. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself in this house. Don't forget, I am the bona fide and legitimate first son. Your own is Jana. You came into this house as Jana and respect yourself. Go inside.
All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. Greediness is so deadly. You might think you've made it through, never offend.
Mama, just enjoy yourself. Mama, I'm telling you. Hey, is that the one inside this place? Open everything. Open. Look at it. Hey, look at it. Hey! Mama, enjoy. Mama, enjoy yourself. Mama, I'm so happy. Mama. Mommy, see. Let me repair your rotten face. Mama, the money is here. Hey, baby! Whoa!
We won't be bigger than my own.
Mama, enjoy yourself. Mama, smile. This money is real. Mama, smile. I told you. I said it.
All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. Greediness is so deadly. You might think you've made it through, never offend the innocent, because God knows the best way to fight back. Oh.
Uche,
Yes, Dad.
I know you have tried to explain to me the source of your money, but I can't deceive you. I can't pretend to understand the suddenness of the money. But that aside, my major worry, my concern right now, is your ostentatious lifestyle. I mean, you are living a very loud life. I mean, you no longer spend time in this house. You practically live in hotels. And of course, that is expensive, you must agree. The money you spend in hotels, you will agree with me, can renovate this house. And better still, you can buy a plot of land anywhere you like and build a house for yourself. Look, I'm your father. There are a lot of advantages in acquiring landed properties. Trust me. Because when the going gets tough, they can become very handy. So I really do not agree with you.
Papa, to God who made me, Uche Chukwu emego, ebutego mi ike. But you just lied.
I lied.
It's good as that I say, well, I am not wasting money in hotels. You don't just stay and conclude. My business, it's all about going to hotels because that is where the money comes from. We have foreigners that come in. There will be lodged in hotels and I will not leave them there. I must be there to monitor them. Now, they will not come here. I have friends, they smoke. I'm sure if I bring them here for them to be smoking, you won't like it. That's why we are all in hotels. Yeah, you might think they have a reckless life and all that, but Father, I tell you what, that their reckless life is where the money comes in. Oh yes. So confirm before you conclude.
Well, it's okay. But my people have a saying that it is the responsibility of the elder to advise, while it is that of the young one to listen and obey.
But have I not sat down to listen to you? Am I not listening to you? I sat down, saint, preventing me from going for my business. Have I not been listening to you?
Well, you have.
So where have I gone wrong? Anyway, as a father, I will tell you thank you for your concern. But I'm telling you that I know what I'm doing. That I've gone through hell. I don't want to return to where I was coming from. Father, I'm rich. Yeah, what you advise about that, but all those are in line. And this is not the kind of house that I want to build for myself. I want to change your situation. When I want to begin my own house, you will know. You will know my style, not your old school time, no. When I begin, I'll go to the market, buy everything, put them. Then the house will begin. Do parkour before you open your eyes and close it again. Do parkour there. Akanawo. Do you understand me? Can I go now? Thank you very much.
Father said, how can you be telling someone what you don't know? You have not done it before and you are telling me how I should do my business. The kind of money I've touched, have you touched it? If I don't sit down now to listen to you, they'll say, I'm very arrogant. I'm stubborn because I have money. What kind of rubbish is that? You are saying what you don't know. Ah. You are advising me. Can you give what you don't have?
All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. All about life is so deep. All about life is so wide. All about life is so mysterious. Be careful. Greediness.
Uche, try to understand. I need this money urgently to sort out some things. Once the new deal clicks, I'll sort you out.
Yeah, Franco. 5 million naira. Where will I get it from? I don't have that kind of money, please. Now, when the money?
Uche, see, you forgot so soon that I introduced you to this business. And now you got your first pay. You're trying to mess me up? I mean, come on. Try to understand, man.
Franco, the way you're taking this thing is not the way it is. This money, I know day. I've been spending money attending to issues. Everybody in this family now is on my head.
Guy,
you understand?
50 million naira on this business. You collected 50 million.
Now calm down now. What is 50 million?
So are you saying you won't give me this money? Is that what you're talking about? Listen, again, you may go. I'll finish now. You collected 50 million for crying out loud. What are you saying?
Franco, what you say now? We're got trouble. Just I've been asking for money I don't have. What is the 50 million?
Right.
50 million or not? Yeah.
Okay, raise me 4 million. Let me sort out.
Now get 3 million.
I don't need 3 million. I need 4 million. I need to sort out things. I calculate everything. Try to understand.
Now, Franco, now 3.5 I go give you. I beg. I go transfer them to you before the end of the day.
Okay, send it around. Send it now. Send it right now.
Now, Franco, I don't understand you. Now,
that water, it was an emergency. It's an emergency.
Give me the number.
Please. 005 236.
this one is still okay, right?
Yes, Mom, it's still fine.
I had take.
When I'm done with secondary school, you dash me most of your weeks.
No, I'll buy new ones for you.
Ooh. It's nice.
When you don't come in, you go to the salon down the street, give them to wash for me and roll it. Okay?
Okay, Mom. Mommy. Remember when I wanted to tell you something the other day before Brother Joshua walked in and asked me to go wash the plates?
I later asked and you said it's nothing.
Well, there is something.
There is something? What is it? You sound serious.
It's very serious. You and Dad need to caution Brother Joshua in this house.
What did he do?
Do you know that Joshua brings girls into this house when you and Dad go out?
Ada! Joshua brings... Hey!
Yes, so all the money you have been giving him for jam, he gives them to some useless girls out there. Yes. Yes, do you know that I caught him red-handed in the sitting room, making out with one girl? Yes.
In my own sitting room?
And he tried to beat me if I ever tell you what that. And he's very envious of Brother Emeka. He always looks for every reason to paint him black. And he tells me and Chijoke to help him argue, to be against Brother Emeka.
Ada? Ada?
Ma?
Are you serious about this?
I'm very serious. Do you know that he formed all sorts of lies against me? And he said that if I ever tell you or Dad about his bad behavior, he will tell you that I have a boyfriend. It's a lie. Yes, now.
Oh, this is too much. I can't take this anymore.
Joshua! 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 Joshua!
I just cannot believe this.
Joshua. So this is the nonsense you've been doing behind our back. Eh? Your mates are out there doing great things. But what do? You're only thinking about how to be useless. How could you bring a girl into my house?
Daddy, the last 30,000 you gave him, he gave it to one wayward girl living in the next streets. A girl that even smells secret.
Secret?
In public.
Joshua. So, and you told me you needed the money to register for jam lesson.
No, he doesn't go for any jam lesson. I went to his jam lesson center yesterday to look for him, and they said that he has not come for class for over 1 week now.
What is wrong with you, Joshua? What is the problem?
It's a lie, yo. It's a big lie. You see this Ada you're seeing? This thing, she's just saying it to cover up all the bad things she has been doing when you're out. This girl at her age, as small as she is, she has the infantry to be going out on the street, hugging boys and kissing boys. On the streets. This girl. Ada. You know you don't have any evidence. You know that. And you know I have all the evidence. And I have a witness that will come and testify that you're his girlfriend.
What stupid evidence are you talking about?
I want to see the evidence.
What evidence?
Oh, let me show you. So that you will know who is lying between myself and her. Wait.
Shout them!
Wait. You know that this small girl...
Let us see the evidence.
Evidence.
Stop talking.
Lawyer, evidence.
Let me show you now. Spoilt brat.
Can't be calling somebody spoilt brat.
You pass any course.
You dare bring a girl inside my house?
I want to see the evidence.
I'm looking for it.
You are looking for the evidence. Eh? Spoilt child. Evil child. What happened to what? What were you expecting to see? I know you don't have any evidence. I knew you were a bad person. But I never imagined you could be this. You could be such a nuisance.
Terrible nuisance.
He's just bluffing. This is how he disgraces our family name in public.
No, try it.
If you dare.
Touch my daughter.
If you dare.
Touch my daughter, let me chop you raw. evidence. Ipa Sumuro government in school. When actually provide the evidence. Eh? You want to provide evidence? Which evidence? My friend, kneel down there. Come on, kneel down. What is wrong with you? I'm not going to get there, Zuzugale.
Opa Sumuro, ordinary comments. Not to talk about
Rex.
mathematics here.
Rex! I've been pushed. I have been pushed so hard.
Okay, it's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. I'll deal with him. I'll place him where he belongs.
Mommy, I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry. Please. I'm not a bad child. I'm your legitimate and bona fide first son, a good boy.
Don't go and die because you're a legitimate and bona fide son. Now you get back to yourself, eh? You get back to yourself. Every time, legitimate and bona fide son.
It's just the devil's work. I'm not always like this.
Which devil are you talking about? You are the devil.
He is the devil.
Joshua, you are the devil.
I don't know when I do them. Please, Daddy, Mommy, please.
Daddy, please forgive him. He's sweating already.
After all, the prodigal son left the house and squandered the father's wealth and came back and asked for forgiveness, and father forgave him. But I don't want to be like the prodigal son.
You are already a prodigal son.
No.
I am sorry to tell you this.
No, I'm not.
Because trusting you will be a problem for me.
It's the devil, it's the devil's work. I don't behave
God
like
will
this.
bear us witness that we have given you all the care and affection any parents can afford.
Yes, you are the best
But what did
parent.
you do? You chose to be different. All you do is to cause us sadness and anxiety instead of happiness. Look at you. Just look at yourself. You are bleeding. I don't want to be a prodigal son. Repentance.
You are one of it.
I pray for you. I pray that you don't push me to the wall. I pray that this repentance you are talking about and your apology will remain permanent.
No, it's real, Mommy. It's real. Please. I won't do it again, I promise. Please.
Hey!
Please,
I've always known this. Always known. I've always suspected that something like this will happen someday. But you refuse to let me talk. You refuse to let me take action.
Mommy, please forgive him.
What?
He's sorry.
Daddy, please forgive him. He's already crying and sweating. Sorry.
Mom, please let it be a thing of the past. Please. Just let it go for peace to reign.
How could he? He loved you.
Mommy, please don't cry.
Why
please.
are you doing this? What is it?
Have you forgiven me?
Joshua, I have forgiven you, but what do you want? What have we not done? Can't you just be a better person? What stops you? What is stopping you? Can't you love your siblings? Are you not satisfied with what you're getting here? Do you want me to lie on the floor before you know that I love you? What else can a mother do that I've not given you? Hey, Joshua.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Son. What? My son? How? Where? Okay.
He has head and hand injuries. He was unconscious when he was brought here. But right now he's out of danger. He will be fine. Please excuse me.
My dear, Uche is very, very lucky to be alive. 2 girls. And one of the boys died on the spot of that accident.
Died?
Honestly. Since he got his money, he has been reckless and wild. I don't know why. I don't know what got into him.
But if you ask me, sweetheart, I'll tell you that Uche has always been that way. The money just brought out the hidden part of him.
I believe you. He has not been treating his father and the younger sister Chioma fairly.
That's bad.
Always antagonizing and criticizing the father for not being a millionaire.
What?
I'm telling you.
That is foolishness if you ask me. Is he a small boy? He's a graduate of 5 years. How would he be criticizing his father? I just hope he gets well soon.
He'll be fine. The doctor said he'll be fine. Honestly, I don't know why almost all the 4 sons of the family are spoiled. So spoiled and rebellious.
First sons?
Honestly, look at Uche.
Really? Have you forgotten that I am one? Yes, I'm the first child of my parents.
Don't even go there. Your case is different.
Good.
You grew up in a military home. Your father was a soldier. So there are things you don't try at home.
So, my father was a soldier, and so?
You know you can't try so many things at home at your age. Then.
Sweetheart, let me tell you. Anybody who wants to spoil will spoil.
Please.
If you like, place a gun on his head.
Don't even start.
I'm telling you.
Don't even start.
I was just a good boy.
Oh, please stop.
And ended up a gentleman.
Which gentleman? Which gentleman? Have you forgotten where we met?
Where did we meet?
Hey!
Where?
Rex!
Tell
we
me.
met during our final year in secondary school.
Yes.
In a party.
Uh-huh.
Have you forgotten?
Okay, I
It
remember
was
now.
your time to sing a song. And you started crying almost. That your father is going to kill you. You jumped a fence to be in the party and nobody knew where you came.
Yes.
Stop, please.
That means
Just
I
stop.
was a good boy who had a fear of his parents and fear of God.
Good boy who
Yes.
jumped fence to be in a party.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
And you fell in love with that young man who
Please
jumped
don't even
fence.
start. Don't go there.
You fell in love with
You
him.
too
With the
exorbitant.
fence jumping young man. You fell in love with him.
Please.
Yeah, Franco, what's up? I've been waiting to hear from you now. Eh? How far now? Pay me my money back. Which can't talk be that now, Franco? How can you be asking me such stupid question? I just came back from hospital after paying so much bills. And I've been calling you, you're not picking your call. The last bill was my father that paid it. You did not show any atom of concern. You did not even visit me. Guy, please, pay me my money. Yes, now. Pay me my money.
Is that my business? Now, what do you want me to do? Which property?
Franco. 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 So you know business like this. You came to me to borrow money, Abi? You know investment very well. You came borrowing money from me, Abi?
What? I got you. Franco borrowed money from me to fence his land. To God who made me. Uche, you have finished your life. Aye! Gosh. Can you imagine? Hey! This Franco boy. When my father was advising me, I refused to listen. Can you imagine 50 million naira just gone like that? I am now penniless. No 1 naira. Car finished. Hey. Hey. To God who made me, Uche, you are finished. Hey!
He has your future in his plan. Wipe your tears away. Wipe your...
But wait, let me understand something. Emeka, are you indirectly trying to say that our mother was once unfaithful?
Joshua!
No, this is very critical. How can he, without respect, no one iota of respect, he doesn't have, he stands before you and dad, demand huge genetics. And indirectly, he is saying that you, our mother, was unfaithful. Ah, God. You see, God, Dad, Mom, you see it? You see the result of over-pampering this boy. See it now. No respect. Suicide.
It doesn't matter anymore. It really doesn't matter anymore. I've made up my mind. It's either a DNA test or I'll do something really terrible. Or you tell me the truth. Yes,